Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials are transformed into powerful tools for the automotive industry. In Eounice factory, quality and precision are paramount, starting with the carefully selected steel that forms the foundation of every car lift. Here, skilled technicians bring these designs to life. You can see the assembly process in action, with multiple scissor lifts taking shape. Each component is meticulously placed and secured, ensuring durability and reliability in every lift. It's a process that combines expertise with efficient manufacturing techniques. As the lifts near completion, final inspections and adjustments are made. Every detail, from the hydraulic lines to the control mechanisms, is checked to meet the highest standards. These car lifts are built to provide safe and effective lifting solutions for garages and workshops around the world, a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship within these walls.